Hello friends and welcome back to Quiz News channel. In today's video, we'll be guessing the meme voice and song Fit Wednesday, Skibidi Toilet, Skibidi Dum Dum Yes Yes, Want to Buckle My Shoe. We have 20 questions and you'll have 10 seconds to answer each one. Every correct answer will earn you 1 point. If you're ready, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Question 1. Can you guess the meme?
Skibidi dop 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 yes 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 dip.
You're so good! It's Mario!
Skibidi dop 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 yes 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 dip.
Question 2. Do you know this meme? It's Mr. Beast Funk. Question 3. Which meme song is this? Amazing! It's Skibidi Dum Dum Yes Yes in Barbie. Question 4. Mr. Beast Funk or Skibidi Dum Dum Yes Yes in Barbie? Which meme do you like more? Which meme do you like more? Leave your opinion in the comments to let us know. Question 5. Do you recognize this meme? Exactly! Creamy Shake is the correct answer. Question 6. Do you recognize which meme this is? It's Among Us Dance. Question 7. Find the odd Among Us out. Thumbs up! The correct answer is here. Question 8. Do you know this meme?
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head.
So good! That's Wednesday Dance.
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head.
Question 9. Guess the name of this meme. That's right! The correct answer is Crazy Frog. Question 10.
Damn!
is damn meme?
Damn!
Question 11. Do you recognize which meme this is?
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls.
Yes, a spooky, scary skeleton.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls.
Question 12. Can you guess the meme song?
Dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita.
It's Dame Tu Cosita.
Dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita.
Question 13. Do you recognize which meme this is? So good! Is Cristiano Ronaldo's shoe in Super Mario? Question 14. Can you guess the meme dance? Exactly, that's dancing. Question 15.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit.
It's Doge sings La La La.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit.
Question 16. Dancing or Doge sings La La La. Which meme do you like more?
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit.
Which meme do you like more? Leave your opinion in the comments to let us know. Question 7. Do you know this meme? So easy! It's Skibidi Toilet Angel. Question 18. It's Montubaco Maltamadon. Question 19. What is this meme?
Apple pen. I have a pen. I have pineapple.
It's PPAP meme.
Apple pen. I have a pen. I have pineapple.
Question 20. Can you identify this meme?
I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I find a lover that could hold me.
Do you recognize which meme this is? Please leave your answer in the comments to let us know. Thanks for watching the video. Comment to let me know how many questions you answered correctly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun games like this.